All right, just walking back to a no cool call. Lady says it's not cooling. Sounds like the fan's running. I don't hear the compressor. Yeah, compressor's definitely not running. All right, let's open this thing up, take a look. All right. Check this capacitor. See if it's good first. All right, let's check this guy out. Let's go. Let's go hermetic to common. All right, well, the hermetic side looks good. Let's check fan. Fan was running, so fan's all right. This cap is good. I wonder if her compressor's bad. Oh, great. All right, let's check the compressor. All right, let's check these. Let's check the windings. All right, let's go to start. Looking good so far. I didn't have it on ohms. I still had it on capacitance. All right, let's check again. So common to start, looks okay. But it looks like these are open. So if you look in the wiring diagram, all right, so yellow is run, start is blue, black is common. So let's check. Got the commons mixed up. Yeah. So common to start says it's open. Let's go common to run. Yeah, the compressor's bad. So common to start and common to run both say open. Oh well. So this compressor is definitely bad. Check it out the pins. Let's pull that jacket off. There's probably frickin' Black Widow galore in there. I don't know about taking that off, but let's check it out real quick. All right, I got the jacket off, man, and this thing is, whew, that thing is hot, 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 hot. I can't even touch that thing, dude. Yeah, that thing is smoking hot. Let's see if we can take this off. Ow. Oh, that hurt. All right. Let's check those windings out directly to the compressor. Yeah, it looks like this compressor's bad. All right. Let's look at the year. Look at the 02 model, R22. She's probably just better off replacing this thing. All right, let's go talk to the customer and see what they want to do. So that one ended up being a change out. We're going to change out the furnace and the air conditioner. The furnace and AC are both from about 01, 02. Bad compressor, better just to replace it, especially when it's an R22 unit. So yeah, that one is going to be a change out. So see some, good money from that one. So that was the deal. We had a bad compressor. Condenser fan motor was running, but the compressor was just so hot and burnt out. I even tried, squirting the thing with water to see if I could get the old lady some cooling temporarily. She wanted to replace it anyways, but I went back out there. I didn't get it on camera, but to see if it had an internal overload that was tripped. But I tried with a hose and some water. I tried hosing that thing down for a good 5 or 10 minutes, but it stayed the same. It would not come on at all. So, most likely one of the windings was open. So that one's going to be a change out, but we tried. We'll be installing that in a few days, so she won't be without it for too long. Makes people appreciate it a bit more.